Tech Family.
Over.
Draft.
Overdraft. Over.
Dress.
Overdress. Over.
Drive.
Overdrive. Over.
Do.
Overdue. Over.
Fill. Overfill.
Overfill.
Hand, cuff. Handcuff. Hand, gun. Handgun. Hand, book. Handbook. Hand, held. Handheld. Hand, shake. Handshake. Horse, fly. Horsefly. Horse, back. Horseback. Horse, play. Horseplay. Horse, power. Horsepower. Horse, shoe. Horseshoe. Home, land. Homeland. Home, made. Homemade. Home, owner. Homeowner. Home, sick. Homesick. Home, work. Homework. Home, stead. Homestead. Under, pants. Underpants. Under, weight. Underweight. Under, world. Underworld. Under, taker. Undertaker. Under, shirt. Undershirt. After,
Noon.
afternoon. After,
Thought.
afterthought. After,
Effect.
after effect. After,
Math.
aftermath. After,
Shock.
aftershock. Back, ache. Backache. Back, bone. Backbone. Back, pack. Backpack. Back, drop. Backdrop. Back, space. backspace,
child,
Earth.
childbirth, child,
Care.
childcare, child,
Free.
child free, child,
Less.
childless, child,
Like.
childlike,
door, bell, doorbell, door, knob, doorknob, door, man, doorman, door, mat, doormat, door, stop, doorstop,
Earth.
Bound.
Earthbound. Earth.
Quake.
Earthquake. Earth.
Ward.
Earth ward. Earth.
Worm.
Earthworm. Earth.
Fast.
Earth
fast.
fast.
fire, fly, firefly, fire, man, fireman, fire, place, fireplace, fire,
Proof.
fireproof, fire,
Wood.
firewood,
Colette, make sure you count to 10 before you tell.
She did.
I know she did.
Should I do Mississippi 10 or just regular 10?
Regular 10.
stop, doorstop.
Will, we're blaming you for everything. Earth. Bound. Oh, wait. Go on with it.
You brother!
I can't even see his fingers counting. He's like,
Yeah, he's like.
count normally. What are you doing? Like, what is Earth ward, Earth fast, and Earthbound? Oh, wait. Yeah, what is
What's an earth ward? Stop slouching.
Okay, so you're
I'm not slouching.
Oh, and Amalia, stop scratching your foot. That's it!
said homestay.
Yeah.
home steak is no more.
looks like a
She said
K. It
stead.
looks
She
like
said
a
steak
K.
instead of stead.
Homestay.
Oh, free ball. Switch. Switch.
Wait, she said.
I said home steak.
You guys might need to redo that one.
Can we like just say the last word really quickly? So with editing, can we?
Do it.
My God. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.